next to Nolan though, not right here.
Oh, you're right.
What?
Yeah, you're right.
No one wants to next to Nolan.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
I'm gonna get a job at Graders.
Job where?
Graders. I live right next to Graders, so that'd be great. That'd be great.
I just went to Graders yesterday.
The one next to like City Hall. Yeah.
I need to celebrate my driving test.
Boom.
We're looking for like weekends and nights, so I could actually, I could really use.
Are you going to the gym, Mike?
Even during school.
Mike, are you going to the gym?
Sassy Tim. Film Sassy Tim.
Mike versus Jay Leonard has more like ambiance.
Sassy Tim.
Sassy Tim.
Sassy Tim.
Jesus like that.
Oh my alone. What is wrong with you?
The corpse is talking. Pain is the best.
Seattle speaking.
Be very, very quiet.
Max Thompson. While many have fallen, he is the one who I miss the most. After his brutal battle with Queen Mary, he has been kept prisoner in an evil space prison. While his evil clone has taken over and corrupted our memories of him. While we suffer in silence, our only hope is that he is strong enough to make his return. We miss him, and the only thing we can do is patiently wait for his return.
Alright, I'm explaining this video real quick. So I normally don't do any of the editing. This is normally Nolan's job, or the filming actually. So basically, nothing is going to be really, since it's April Fool's, we're switching jobs basically. Nothing's going to be like the same as it normally is. That's why the intro is different. That's why like most of the animations are different. So yeah, it's not going to be the same people, or I'm going to introduce a couple people. They're not probably in the video all the time, but hope you enjoy. This is Sid. He's my core boss. RazRT. We're working on some math.
Ice on my neck, cause like 5K.
Hey Patrick, I brought something for you. It's my fist. You hungry?
We got Pienso.
The correct answer, pienso.
Right in the trash in my hole. Thank you.
Ice on my neck, cause like.
Thank you for watching. Took a lot of time to edit. Really tired. I'm going to bed now.